Imagine waking up tomorrow, you step outside, you look up at the sky, and something feels wrong. The moon is gone, no warning, no explosion, no message from NASA, just gone. At first, it might not seem like a big deal. The moon is just a rock in space, right? But that rock is one of the most important reasons life on Earth exists the way it does. Without the moon, our planet would slowly begin to change, and those changes would be terrifying. The first thing that would happen is the oceans would start to behave differently. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans and creates tides. Every day, oceans rise and fall. But without the moon, those tides would almost disappear. At first, that might sound peaceful, but oceans rely on tides to move nutrients around the planet. Without them, entire marine ecosystems could collapse. Fish populations would drop, food chains would break, and millions of people who rely on the ocean for food could be affected. But that's only the beginning. The moon also acts like a stabilizer for Earth. It keeps our planet's tilt relatively steady. Right now, Earth tilts about 23.5 degrees. That tilt is what gives us seasons: summer, winter, spring, fall. But without the moon, Earth's tilt could start to wobble over millions of years. Imagine a planet where the tilt suddenly shifts. One part of the world could freeze completely. Another part could become unbearably hot. Weather patterns would become chaotic. Storms would become more extreme, and climates could change faster than ecosystems can adapt. But there's another change you would notice immediately: the nights. Without the moon, nighttime on Earth would become dramatically darker. The moon reflects sunlight and lights up the night sky. Without it, many nights would be almost completely black. For humans, that might not seem like a big problem. We have electricity, we have lights, but for animals, it's a completely different story. Many species rely on moonlight to navigate. Sea turtles, for example, use the reflection of the moon on the ocean to find their way back to water. Without that light, millions of hatchlings could become lost. Birds also use the moon for navigation during migration. Without it, migration patterns could collapse. Entire ecosystems could slowly begin to fail. And then there's something even stranger. Without the moon, Earth's days would slowly start to change. The moon's gravity actually slows down Earth's rotation. Billions of years ago, a day on Earth was only about 6 hours long. The moon helps slow that rotation to the 24-hour day we experience today. If the moon suddenly disappeared, Earth would slowly begin to spin faster again over millions of years. Days would shorten, and the rhythm of life on Earth would slowly shift. But maybe the strangest change would be psychological. For thousands of years, humans have looked up at the moon. It inspired myths, stories, calendars, art, even the way we measure time. Suddenly, one night, it's just gone. The sky would feel different, the night would feel emptier, and humanity would constantly wonder what happened to it. So the moon isn't just a beautiful object in the sky. It's a silent partner helping keep our planet stable, helping guide animals, helping control our oceans, and shaping life on Earth every single day. And if it disappeared tomorrow, the world would slowly become a very different place. Welcome to Mind Crack, where we explore the mysteries that break your mind.